Good evening friends, and in this video we are going to learn about the use of elder and older, eldest and oldest. So when we look at these words we think that they are different, but let me tell you they are not different, both are same. How can we understand them? See, old is a positive degree, older is a comparative degree, oldest is superlative degree. And for old we can also take elder and eldest. Once again I repeat, only for old we have older, oldest and elder, eldest. So in this way I am telling you these both are same, but in usage there is a little difference. There is a slight difference that we are going to learn in this video. So first, elder is used for persons and also for comparisons within your family. So when we talk about persons, or when we talk about even comparisons within a family, we can use elder. Now look at the examples. Raghu is my elder brother. Okay, I am saying I have a brother whose name is Raghu. Then I can say Raghu is my elder brother. What does it mean? See, for your understanding I am telling you, elder means big brother. Big brother can be said, can be told as elder brother. And elder meaning is older. But the thing is, we can't write older here. In spoken we can use older, but in written we are supposed to use elder. So that's why Raghu is my elder brother means just I am telling my big brother. Then second example, Rani is elder to Vani. So comparisons within a family. That means here Rani and Vani both are sisters and we are comparing them. So here, and we are comparing who is elder, who is bigger. That's why here Rani is elder to Vani. And here we need to notice one thing, that is after elder we are not supposed to use them, but we have to use to. So that's why I have written here to. Rani is elder to Vani. Elder means again older only. So elder to Vani. Then older. Older is used for persons as well as things. Now it refers to the age of a person. When we talk about the person's age, we take or we use older or else even oldest. Now look at the examples here. Somu is older than Ramu. Again here there is a comparison. Somu is older than Ramu. Okay. So he is the older when I compare to Ramu. And what is the opposite of older? It's a younger. So old means the seniority, the aged person. Next one, this is the oldest building in our city. And here we are talking about the city. So here, this is the oldest building in our city. I am using superlative degree. As I said, older or oldest can be used to talk about things also. That's why I can say this is the oldest building in our city. This is the oldest school in this area. We can speak like that. The next one, eldest. Eldest is used when we compare three or more than three members of a same family. Because already we learnt about the degrees of adjectives. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now, comparative degree is used when we want to compare two persons or things, and superlative degree is used when we want to compare more than two persons or things. So that's why here eldest is the superlative degree, and when we use the word eldest, we are comparing or we are talking about three or more than three people. That we need to understand. So that's why here clearly we can understand. Looking at this, once again I read, eldest is used when we compare three or more than three members of a same family. Again here within the members within a family, the members of a same family. Okay, so that's why here look at the example. Tom is the eldest member of our family. So in our family there are a few members. My father, mother, and I, my brothers and sisters. Among all, Tom is the eldest member of our family. Eldest means he is the biggest. He is the biggest of member of our family. He is the biggest one in our family among children. Okay. So that's why we can use eldest. Eldest means oldest. Okay. And here we are referring to the age of a person. And to refer to the age of a person who is smaller, we can use the younger or the youngest. Suppose if in my family Ravi is the smaller one of all the members, then I can say Ravi is the youngest member of our family. Youngest, the smallest. When I say smallest, I'm not talking about the size. Okay, here I'm talking about the relation and its age, the person's age. Okay, so like this, we need to understand about elder and older and eldest and oldest. Even when we talk about oldest also, we are speaking or we are talking about three people or three persons or more than two people or three persons. The oldest. See here, this is the oldest building in our city. There are a few buildings in our city, but among those I'm talking about one. So this is the oldest building in our city. So like this we can use and understand elder and older. Okay, I hope you understood this explanation. Keep on watching my videos and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.